Welcome to Tumbler's Fall Lock Sport, where today I will be picking this American Lock 700 series padlock. It is a 100th anniversary edition. It has a 2.5-inch solid steel body, 7/16 of an inch diameter shackle. This is quite a beefy lock. It weighs in at just over 1.5 pounds. This is the key bitting. Pretty good. Let's see if the lock works. Oh yeah, it works good. Love that sound. Yeah, I do. Alright, key works, lock works. I'll be using a 50 thousandths pry bar bent in the top of the keyway. And of course, I'll be using my trusty Peterson gem in 18. Alright. Little heavier than light tension. 1 is springing, 2 is springy, 3 is binding. I got 2 clicks out of 3 and slight rotation on the core. 4 solid, leave him alone. 5 is binding. Oh, got 2 good clicks out of 5. More movement on the core, back to 4 solid. 3 is definitely set. 2 is binding. It was springy, now it's binding. That's 1 click. Yeah, and another click, and a false set. Pin 1. I can't find pin 1, but when I do, there we go. I got some slight rotation, counter rotation, and we got an open. All right. Let's see what's inside this thing. All right, get my little pin and tray. And Phillips head screwdriver. Not all the way out. Come on out, guys. Okay, got that nut, don't need that. There it is. Set that to the side. Keep all this stuff in frame. I set that to the side. Need my pickle fork. And here it is. All right, let's pop this thing out. Try it this way. If I can get this sucker out of there. There we go. Okay, that's out. Let me move this down just a little bit. Alright, get a plug follower. Let's try this one. Yeah, I'll still use this. Give me the key here. And we will lock it back up and turn it this way. Alright, set that down there. Turn this over. Alright, we got here pin 1. Yeah, nice, it's stuck up in there. Come on out. Serrated, of course, for American Lock. Another serrated key pin. Come on out. Pin 3 also serrated. Don't need that. Pin 4, a lot of oil in here. Pin 4 and 5. Let's just stick the key in there and knock them out. Figure it out later. That was pin 5. And pin 4. These tweezers, get them up. Okay. All right, let's see what's in the core. I mean, in the Bible. All right. Spool in chamber 1, which I suspected that. Serrated. Chamber 2, chamber 3 is another serrated pin. And 4 and 5 are also going to be serrated. And that was a serrated spool. I didn't feel that in chamber number 4 because for some reason 4 was already set, so it probably didn't even come into play. 4 was set right out of the gate. And 5 is a serrated pin. All the springs, it's all standard springs in there. And that's it. Let's see, get a little close-up view of this. And that is American Lock. What's inside this thing? I love American locks. They're always a challenge to pick. Thank you for watching. This is Buddy Love, and until next time, I'm out.